This is a gege pextra that was lent to me by Georgia Jim. This thing only does what I need it to about a third of the time, if that. So I'm gonna try to get it on camera. There's something out of 6, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nothing on 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Maybe something to 6. Maybe something out of 2. I think I just overset it. So 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2. That's on 3. That's on 4. 5, 6. Maybe something out of 1. Something out of 2. 3, 4, 5. Nothing on 6. 2, 3, 4, 5. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One, two, 3, 4, 5, 6. There we go. And 2 opened it up. I just had to get it up there a little bit higher. This has serrated pins with the overmilling, so it acts like barrel spools. So you kind of got to just get them up into that counter milling and then get them past it, and then it just kind of pops open. This thing's kind of a pain in the ass, but that's the gege pextra.